best friend is making the rounds. What's her name? It's Agnes. Agnes is actually the name of a popular new treatment with great results for under eye bags, double chins, lip lines, all that stuff. And Dr. Deborah Manjoney is the founder and director of the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa, and she joins us this morning. Good morning to you, doctor.
Good morning, Molly. How are you?
I'm doing great. I would love for you to share why you're calling Agnes our new best friend. What do you love about it?
Well, I love the results, and I think most of the people who've had this procedure love the results. It's true. It's a lovely procedure that's a targeted procedure that we can address things that in the past could only be taken care of surgically.
Incredible. Now, this is something that you first rolled out about a year ago, a little less than a year ago, to the Wisconsin Vein Center MediSpa. I'm wondering, too, you've mentioned that it's rapidly becoming something that's very sought after. You love the results. How exactly does it work? What is it doing for people? Because it seems like it covers so many different areas.
Well, it really is a little radio frequency energy delivery device. So, we have radio frequency microneedling, and that is what this is, except it's a targeted single needle or a three-pronged needle, depending on what we are addressing, that can really either melt fat or tighten skin. And so we can't use it on the whole face. It would just take much, much, much too long. But what we can do with it is address things like saggy jowls, a double chin. We can address eye bags and really get rid of them with these treatments, and also tighten up the skin when we do it. So it's pretty incredible.
Yeah, and I'm looking at some of these pictures. Quite honestly, I think it's changing people's profiles. It almost looks like somebody's had a mini facelift to me when you see the before and after, because you notice it, like you said, around the eyes, which can be tricky,
Yes.
under the eyes, then also around the lips and the jowls and the double chin.
Correct. We're not going to get a surgical correction, but we can get something that's pretty close for people who don't want to have surgery or who aren't ready to have surgery. And we really can define the jawline, as you see here, and we can really improve the lines around the eyes, around the mouth. I'm actually at an advanced training right now in Phoenix. That's why I'm not in person with you. And we are, really discussing now how to do an eyebrow lift, how to do other things to really help with the vectoring of the face. In other words, to pull up the skin along the jawline or wherever we want to really get that wow effect. The thing is, many people will need just one treatment, but others might need more than one, depending on how large an area that needs to be treated or how bad their problem is. But it can be done repeatedly. And the great news is that, for instance, when we are addressing fat pockets, those will be gone forever. They are actually melted away. We're hearing a sizzle as we put the needle in.
Oh my gosh. So it's permanent. I mean, that's very exciting for those under eye bags, those double chins, like we mentioned. Now, I know that microneedling isn't new, but Agnes is new. And this is it this idea of targeting certain areas?
Yes, this is called focused microneedling. And basically, this can be combined with other procedures, and it works especially well with something called Scarlet, which is our radio frequency microneedling, where we're inserting 25 little needles at the same time after the skin has been numbed. And that will just improve the results overall, because it's going to give more of a tightening effect. It's going to be heating deeper into the skin all over your face, so you can get that collagen stimulation to really improve and rejuvenate the face.
I am so impressed with these results, and then to think that it's permanent is very exciting.
Yes.
I want to talk to you about why you say hydration, drinking water. I'm guessing maybe it has something to do with the fat reduction, but why is it important to drink lots of water before and after?
It does. Before and after any radiofrequency procedure, you're going to get a better result if you are drinking water, if you're well hydrated, because the heat is stimulating the water molecules within the fat. And so it really starts spinning them very quickly. And if the fat is hydrated and, plumped up, it's going to react better. And so we will see better results with that. Now, many results from all these fat melting procedures take 3 to 4 months to see the final. And so people do have to be patient. We are seeing people who see results within 2 weeks. You'll start to notice something usually between 4 and 5 weeks out, but a final result isn't seen for about 4 months. And everybody keeps stressing that here, that really try to encourage people to wait between 3 and 4 months before they have to have a second treatment because they may not need it.
Yeah, you got to wait, and those results are going to show. I think it's incredibly exciting. Doctor, thank you so much. Enjoy your trip, and we'll see you here again in studio sometime soon.
Very soon. Thank you, Molly. You having a great day, too, and a nice weekend.
Thank you. Appreciate it. And the Wisconsin Vein Center Medi-Spa is located in Pewaukee. Give them a call to find out if you're a good candidate for Agnes. The phone number is 262-746-9088. Or for more information, you can visit their website. It's wimedispa.com.